What's going on, everybody? Dylan here with Espresso Outlet, and today we are going to be dialing in the DF83V grinder. First, you're going to start out and we're going to go ahead and adjust the grinder with the grinder on and the burr spinning, and we're going to have the grind setting set to about 12. So now you're going to load the amount of dose that you would like, and I like to start with 18 grams in with 36 grams out in about 27 to 30 seconds. When it comes to puck prep, just make sure the grinds are nicely evenly distributed inside your portafilter basket and just give it a nice firm and level tamp. Let's take a look as we start the shot and see what kind of adjustments we're going to have to make on the grinder. As you can see, the shot is running very slow and the grind setting is way too fine. So we're going to have to go a little bit coarser on the adjustment dial on the DF83V. So let's watch as the rest of the shot pulls, and then we're going to go ahead to adjust our grinder accordingly. Now we're going to go ahead and go about 3 clicks coarser, and this is going to get us right where we need to be with our 36 grams out in about 27 to 30 seconds. Alright, so moment of truth, we went about 3 clicks coarser, and we're going to see where this shot takes us. As you can see, the shot's pulling very nice. It's got really nice crema. Shot's not coming together right away. There's a little bit of channeling there, but what we do see is we are getting that desired range, which is that 18 grams in, 36 grams out in about 27 to 30 seconds. We are right at that 30-second mark, which was a great shot. So as always, thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Dylan with Espresso Outlet, and this is how you dial in the DF83V grinder. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.